Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It's your biology revision number 3, and it's about chapter 3, which is biodiversity. Now we will start our topic from question number 18. So question number 18 is define the following terms: extinct species, endangered species, and threatened species. Now first we will discuss about extinct species. What are extinct species? The species that no longer live anywhere on the earth is known as extinct species. For example, dinosaur and rhino. So they are no longer live anywhere on the earth. So why they are known as extinct species? Now endangered species, those species which are less in their population and they are on the verge of extinction are called endangered species. So example is Rafflesia, grass fern, giant panda, lion. So all these are species, they are come in the category of endangered species. Next one is threatened species. The species which are likely to become endangered in near future are called threatened species. For example, markhor. So all these are examples of threatened species, endangered species, and extinct species. Now come toward the next question, which is discuss the major impact of human beings on biodiversity. So human impact on biodiversity. Due to human activities, the biodiversity of many areas and the earth as a whole is decreasing day by day. We know that. Many plants and animal species have become endangered due to human activities. For example, Rafflesia and grass ferns of Indonesia and animals like giant panda and mountain gorilla in Africa are also endangered. Some human impacts on biodiversity are given below. Now, habitat loss and deforestation, overhunting, introduction or removal of species, and rapid industrialization. So, all these are impacts on biodiversity of human beings. So, now we will discuss one by one. So, habitat loss, it means that the place or area where animals live, it is known as habitat. Now all species, they have specific food and habitat needs. Now human beings are utilizing land and natural resources and destroying valuable. So it means that habitat is the place or area, we can say that, where animals or plants live. And all species have specific food and habitat where they live. Now we are utilizing land and natural resources, and we are destroying the valuable resources. Deforestation, it means that removal or cutting off plants. The destruction or removal of plants is an unplanned manner is known as what? Deforestation. In order to fulfill the basic needs and requirement of food, humans are clearing forest and developing agricultural land and residential areas. In Pakistan, only 5.2% area is under forest. Pakistan has highest annual deforestation rate in Asia. According to a report, 151,500 acres of forest land have been converted into non-forest land. So it means that it also a major rate of deforestation. Now overhunting of animal is also a cause of loss of biodiversity. In Pakistan, various species are hunted for various purposes. For example, lizard, snake, crocodile, large mammal, etc. A large number of migratory birds passing through Chitral, and they are hunted and killed during migration. Now, introduction or removal of a species, what does it mean? When a species is introduced or removed, it affects the ecosystem. Each and every species having a role in ecosystem. So now introduction of new species, when a new species is introduced in an ecosystem, it may prove harmful for the existence of other species living there. Example, eucalyptus trees were imported to Pakistan from Australia. These trees consume more water and have distributed level underground water. So other smaller plants cannot grow near these trees. Now, removal of a species from ecosystem. The removal of a species from ecosystem also affect other species. Example, in aquatic ecosystem, starfish eat mussel, which are harmful to many other species. If a starfish is removed from that ecosystem, the mussel will increase in number and they will be harmful to other species. Rapid industrialization. Overpopulation is the reason of rapid industrialization, and the rapid industrialization has negative impact on biodiversity. Pollution. The chemical pollutant released from industries are harmful for a species and ecosystem. It usually harm species which live in small areas. Diagram is very much important in while you are attempting the question. So you must draw the diagram in mid of the page, in mid of the question, or at the start of the question. Now next question is, discuss the main issues of conservation of biodiversity. So conservation of biodiversity in Pakistan, the biodiversity has been directly affected by two main factors, deforestation and overhunting. Same thing. Now deforestation led to the removal of green cover from land. As we discussed that this led to the soil erosion, reduction in rainfall, and also wipe out the precious habitat of wildlife. And in Pakistan, only 5.2% area is under forest. Due to destruction of natural habitat, many species become extinct and endangered. Overhunting result in the reduction of many species. Marco Polo sheep and Opera bustard and markhor population has been reduced due to overhunting. Electrofishing and overfishing. Electrofishing and overfishing in rivers, lakes, and ponds has resulted in the reduction of many fish species. For example, shirmai and mahashir. Now, killing of musk deer. Musk deer are killed for their glands used for making perfumes. Release of polluted water. The most serious threat posed by Indus River dolphin is the release of polluted water into the sea, which is causing the blindness of dolphin. Now, steps taken in Pakistan for conservation. First, Indus Dolphin Project for dolphin. Next one is Protected Areas Management Project in Machiara in Azad Kashmir. Marine Turtle Conservation Project. Ban on the hunting of markhor and urial in Balochistan. Himalaya Jungle Project to protect the biodiversity in Himalaya region. Conservation of biodiversity of the Suleiman Range, Balochistan. Northern Areas Conservation Project. Conservation of migratory birds in Chitral, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Himalaya Wildlife Project to check the hunting of brown bear. Conservation of Chiltern markhor and ban on bear baiting in Pakistan. So all these are projects which they are taken for the conservation of biodiversity. Now it was all about my today's lecture. Hope you all will be understand and keep this thing in mind that diagram is very much important. So you must have to draw the diagram. Okay beta? Take care. Allah Hafiz.